Moving on now, the Westminster Magistrate Court in UK is hearing liquor baron Vijay Mallya's plea challenging his extradition. Mallya's lawyers have claimed that the Indian government keeps on levelling different charges against him and further adding that the allegations were baseless. At the beginning of the hearing, his lawyers also contended that the banks had full knowledge of the inadequate financial condition of Kingfisher Airlines. Before going into court, Vijay Mallya reiterated that he was ready to repay the 100% amount to the Indian government. Remember, this is a very crucial plea hearing for Vijay Mallya, who could perhaps be extradited within the next 28 days itself if he is unsuccessful in convincing the court against cancelling his extradition order. If Vijay Mallya fails to convince the court, he will be left with the only option of appealing before international court at his extradition order has been signed by the UK Home Secretary. In case he is granted permission to appeal, in that case, the case will be heard by the UK High Court. Lavina is joining us from London with all the latest on this. Lavina, if you could walk our viewers through what transpired in this particular hearing. It's still going on. We believe this is challenging. This is the plea challenging Vijay Mallya's extradition. In case he's unsuccessful, Vijay Mallya could well be extradited back to India in 28 days, Lavina.
Yes, the hearing is at the moment going on. It is yet another hour of Claire Montgomery, QC, who is representing the case of Mr. Vijay Mallya to argue and put the case in front of a two-judge bench. The judges seem to be quite stern and asking or cross-questioning her on every point. She's trying to push forth that the evidence is not admissible because it can't be properly proven in the court. And according to the Evidence Act that they have here in the UK, it has to be properly proven evidence, and therefore the Westminster Magistrate case order was false or wrong, plain wrong, as she put it in the court. And it's very tense inside. Every minute, every moment is very important. Mallya is joined by his partner, and Siddharth Mallya is here in the court. I confronted him outside because legal cases are coming out of his ears, and I said, would it not be dignified for him to go back and face the court? Of course, he seems to not answer much, but of course put up a brave face, and that's what he needs at this point in time, to put up a brave face, because it's very possible that he has very little legal options left after this. And in 28 days, if ratified by the Home Office, to get back, but all hinges upon this judgment and the case that is going on right now.
And what is the likelihood of ECHR intervention at this point of time in this case? A lot of reactions coming in that are showing that the intervention of ECHR in a case could perhaps be slim at this point of time.
All the aspects of the prison and the human rights have been actually spoken about and take at length in the Westminster Magistrate Court. So it's seeing what is it that he picks up if he goes to the human rights. There is a route of Court of Appeal and Supreme Court, but that's quite rare. And it all depends on the judgment. But it only depends what can he pick up on human rights, because you can go to ECHR only on the basis of human rights, and aspects of human rights have been dealt with at the Westminster Court level as well. So it's just a legal course. I asked him what legal course, or will he pursue further legal action if he's not granted permission.
All
of
right,
course, he says mum.
We have to go to some breaking news that's coming in at this point of time.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.